On today's menu, an extremely delicious pasta you can make with confidence, and it only requires 5 simple ingredients. This is one of my favorite go-to recipes. It is so simple and yet so delicious. All you need are 5 ingredients. Bring a pot of water to boil. Garlic. Chop. We're using these amazing oyster mushrooms. If you don't have these, you can just use whatever mushrooms you have on hand. There's absolutely no need to chop these mushrooms. Just tear them into even pieces. Pasta into boiling water. When your pasta is almost done, just reserve about half a cup of that cooking water because it has a lot of really good starch in it. Let your pasta sit in cold water to stop it from cooking. Pan back on the heat. Olive oil. Lower your heat to medium-high. Onions. Mushrooms. Garlic. Season with salt and pepper. We're going to be using a little bit of white wine to deglaze, and keep in mind that not all wine is vegan. If that matters to you, just look for the ones that have a vegan label. Deglaze with half cup of white wine. Pasta water. Let it cook and reduce for about 5 minutes. Pasta. Season with salt and pepper. That just smells incredible. A simple pasta dish you can make with confidence, and you only need 5 simple ingredients. If you already have these ingredients on hand, you absolutely have no excuse not to make this.